When the San Antonio Police Department has a critical incident, they typically upload those videos to YouTube in a pretty timely manner. So the SAPD released a video recently for a shooting that happened on May 19th, 2024 on La Cantera Terrace. Just after 7 p.m., officers were dispatched to a narcotics call. Upon arrival, officers in marked patrol vehicles were alerted of a stolen vehicle by the in-car Axon license plate reader. One officer parked his patrol car behind the unoccupied stolen vehicle to prevent it from leaving while he investigated the initial narcotics call.
This call could be on the site for a stolen vehicle, and you can put 250 on when he clears.
While walking to the call, the police officers noticed a suspect enter the stolen vehicle and redirected their attention to the suspect and ran toward the stolen vehicle. Officers called out to the subject when he drove the vehicle over the curb and onto the grass in the direction of the officers and a civilian who was walking her dog.
Hey, get out of the vehicle! Hey, get out of the vehicle!
Both officers fired multiple rounds at the stolen suspect vehicle, striking the suspect once in the head. EMS transported the suspect to a local hospital where he was later pronounced deceased. The suspect was identified as 21-year-old Angel Suarez. Their names are Travis Maxwell, shield number 1841, and Officer Daniel Garcia, and that's shield 1325. So the comment section is very conflicted. It's about a 50-50 with people supporting the police and what they did, and people saying that the police jumped the gun on this and that the guy was trying to get away and he was already turned and trying to get away when the shots were fired. So I want to know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think this was a justified shooting?